Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip, and today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider a time that you've been late for class, or somebody you know has been late for class. Maybe that family, maybe that person regularly, maybe that person during that semester of their school year, whatever. And so this is not a blame game, and it's not a regret or shame game. It's trying to figure out, to the best of your ability, a reasonable understanding of the catalyst for that having been late, let's say instance or period. Once we can come to a pretty reasoned understanding of why that has happened, then what we'd like to do is develop a plan to mitigate, uh, to lessen the frequency or perhaps eliminate the reoccurrence of such an event so that we're on time for class. While we're at it, not just being on time for class, but being early is nice. And as long as you're early, maybe you'd like to sweep the floors or wash the windows or take out the trash or wipe something down. Thank you all very much. There's my face. Sorry about that. Love.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.